So welcome to the screencast for Garden Gourmet. I'm going to show you how to edit the homepage in this webcast. So this is the current homepage. We have a header at the top, that's this part. We have a slider with products. We have a listing of categories. And we have a footer, call to action at the bottom, and then we have a real footer with some navigation and a Nestle footer with contact and privacy. At the top we have a header as well. Both the header at the top and the footer at the bottom are the same for every page, so those are not directly for the homepage webcast. Okay, to edit them, we go to the admin panel. Logging in is a different webcast, so I think you should already know how to do that. You got your credentials in the email. So we're in Drupal. We are logged in and we want to change the home page. If there's a lot of pages in here, it might be difficult to find it. So if you set the language to English, that's the base language where you will always translate from. You can just type in home. And you can see you have the home page right here. If you want to translate it, you click translate at the operations part. You select the language you want to translate the page into, and it will automatically make a copy of the current English page. So this is the home page. We have a title. Of course, it's still home in here, and everything is copied from the English page. So all the info you have is directly from the English page. To make it easier for you, we added an image of the screenshot of the current homepage, and we added numbers to the screenshot. So you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and so on. And we also added those numbers to all the input fields we see here. So we have call to action top image is 1, corresponds with this image. We have a top title, that's number 2. A call to action top text is number 3, and so on. Okay, I will change some data here now. I can leave the home page as home. That's a correct way to say it in Dutch as well, but you can change it into a different word if your language asks for that. We have a top image. Well, I really like the one we have now, so you can leave that one. And I will change this into Dutch. I can add text here. I will leave it in English for now, but you get the point. We have a call to action. That's a button here. It has 2 values. One value is the link, which you want to use, and the other one is the text you see on the button. So you can add a URL here. So that's a different website. So you can link to external websites if you want. Or you can use the autocomplete function. Let's say we want to link to, well, daily favorites. And see. And we now have a link to the daily favorites. The next part is a product gallery and carousel, and this one consists of different slides, and each slide is repeated multiple times. So we have a possibility to change the text here, and we can, let's say, change the image, change the text as well. So we can add all the data here. A lot of data is still empty in the English side, but feel free to add it. Then we have the categories, that's number 11. The categories are loaded automatically, so you don't have to change them on the home page. They will be loaded through the CMS, through Drupal itself. The only thing you have to set is your translation for our categories. I will leave it like this for now. Then we have the call to action footer block. That's the other part at the bottom. It has a few fields. Number 12 is the background, 13 is a title, 14 is a text, and 15 is a button again. So we have a background image. We'll leave it at broccoli for now. And we can change this title here just to show that it works. We have some text, it's still some fill text, and we have a footer link. It works the same way. You can link to an external address or to an internal address, whatever you prefer. And we have some link text here as well. So we'll save it. And this is the home page. And if I go to the Dutch version, you now see that we have some changes made to the Dutch version. So this is the Dutch title. This one actually links to the daily favorites, and it has the Dutch label as well. We have the slider in here. This is the text I changed. Our categories, those are loaded automatically. If there's more, they can be slided. And we have our footer block at the bottom. So I hope everything is clear. If there are any questions, please let us know.